Hello everyone, Richard here, and today I want to talk about creating your own splash and squeeze pages and really show you how simple it really can be. Basically, to create your own stuff, whether web pages, website, squeeze pages, download pages, landing pages, thank you pages, any of that kind of stuff, you need your own web hosting to be able to do that. So this is one of the reasons why GVO is in our back office of YourEightSteps in the steps, among many other reasons. It has an autoresponder as well as the web host manager, and you can host up to 4 different domains here. And this is an integral part of building your business online. It took me a while to learn how to make my own splash and squeeze pages. I was always afraid of doing it because I didn't think I would know how. I'm not a real tech person like my partner Brenda. I love the marketing aspect, talking to people, driving traffic and stuff like that. But the technical side of internet marketing has always been something I've struggled with. So I found that the fastest and simplest way for me to create my own pages, and a lot of people online actually make pages the same way, because it's an easy way and a simple way to alter basically any page online as well. I can go to YourEightSteps and take a squeeze page or a splash page and totally alter it and make it my own. And how I'm doing that is using Kompozer. If you log into YourEightSteps and you go to path 1, step number 7, or path 2, step number 8, this is the page on creating your own splash and squeeze pages. And this is why on this page we have Kompozer listed. You can just click on it, and then you go and download it and install it. And then we also have GVO on here for web hosting. And once you have Kompozer installed, there's also a video course in our downloads section for all members, free and pro. This course is listed here. It's the Kompozer video course, and you can click on that to download it and then watch the videos on using Kompozer. And those videos are really good on helping you to learn how to use Kompozer. And I learned it without using any videos, but I'm highly recommending the videos because you're going to learn a lot more about it than what I did in the beginning. And mine was more by trial and error. When you get knowledge in your head and help yourself out, you learn things much quicker this way. And that's why it's back there, so that you can learn how to use Kompozer from this video course. And then you need the web hosting to be able to upload or copy and paste the source code to be able to make your pages live, and you need to have your own domain name. And GVO makes this real super easy to learn this process and get your domain name set up by these. For those of you who aren't members of GVO, as soon as you log into GVO's Host and Profit, what happens is on the left-hand side, it'll say Start Here First, and there's step 1, domain registration, step 2, changing your DNS, step 3, web host manager. These are parts of using your hosting at GVO. And you can scroll down further and you'll see the other products and where the autoresponder is, and we teach you how to set that up as well. Today I'm just going to kind of run through this quickly. What I really want you to do is watch that video, the Kompozer video course, because that's going to help fill in all the little gaps. And what else I really want you to do is in YourEightSteps, I want you to go to, again, the same step number 1, path 7, or path number 1, step 7, and you're going to see our good friend Carol Wozniak's ebook, and it's how to make and host your own splash and squeeze pages. This ebook also goes into more information about creating your own splash and squeeze pages. And that's what this page is all about, is trying to help you to get that accomplished or start learning to do that, because you really can set yourself in the market apart from everybody else by creating your own stuff. You can brand things a lot easier. You can learn how to do a lot more by learning to create online. And I don't want you to be afraid of it. Fear stops people from doing many things, and this process is really simple. It just takes a little bit of time to learn, but once you learn this, you can create your own pages in a blink of an eye. I mean, I can alter or change a page or make a new page really in a matter of minutes once you understand this process. So then when you see some page out there when you're surfing or using some traffic source and you really like it and you get some idea that flashes through your head, you can actually create your own page. And that's the thing in the marketplace, is changing your pages so they don't become stale. When you're advertising, you're using one source all the time. Over time, you learn to change some of your pages and do some of your own creation. And this whole process is really simple, and that's why we put the resources in Your 8 Steps. We give you a lot of resources back here that you can learn to do a lot with if you just understand the basic process of how to create and host your own stuff. And then a lot of these other resources like we have in the downloads and other places, they make a lot more sense to you because of what you can do with them. And this helps to put you in a whole nother path as a marketer and to increase your income. This is a process that you really should learn. So in talking about that now, I already have Kompozer on here, so I'm just going to go get it real quick. And just going to open it up. Okay. I forgot I hadn't installed it on this computer yet, so I just had to get it open so I can use it right this minute. It's on my other computers. This is the one that it's not on. I don't hardly use this one for creating pages. So now that I have Kompozer open, I'm going to show you how simple it is to alter a page. If we go to Your 8 Steps, and I'm going to go to the affiliate toolbox, and I'm going to grab a page from here. I'm just going to grab this contest page right here where the contest pages are listed, and go back to Kompozer, and you're going to see all these little icons and stuff at the top of the Kompozer. And the Kompozer video course will teach you a lot about what these things can do in each one of them. Some of them are self-explanatory about you put your mouse over, like this one, these two A's. One says larger font size, one says smaller font size. So it's very easy to figure out that will help you make fonts smaller or larger, for example. But at the top, you have some other words like file, edit, view, insert, stuff like that. What I'm going to do is click on file, and I'm going to then click on, in the drop-down menu, open web location. So in here, I'm going to copy and paste the whole link for that contest page, and now I'm going to hit create. And now you can see the page is in Kompozer, and this is where you actually alter it. Now, that is the top where it says Your 8 Steps for First Referral Contest. I'm going to delete that. Just delete it, and I'm going to bring this up a spot. And again. Okay, now what I'm going to do is change the words the race to 5,000. I'm going to change it to just something simple. I'm not going to try to be creative here, just to show you how easy this can be. And I'm going to type in here, get started to marketing. Okay, so I just wrote a title in there, Get Started Internet Marketing, just to show you how you can alter stuff. Now, if I wanted to add a picture or something, this is how simple it can be. I can take my mouse cursor and put it in the center here and click on Image, and I can go on my computer, find an image in Pictures, and I'm going to go find this. Okay, I'm going to just click on this Your 8 Steps image right here, just because this one I ran across. I'm not trying to build anything specific right now, just trying to show you how easy this is. So now I'm going to double click on it, and it's going to come over here, and then I'm just going to hit don't use alternate text just for doing this right now, and click OK. Now you show the picture shows up on the page. Now this could be anything. I could go to another page of mine, like this page I made the other day on Kompozer. In this picture here, I could just click on Save Image As and save the file name as right now it's Rick. I'll just leave it at that. I'm going to save it in the pictures. And I could go back to Kompozer. I could double click on this image. I could edit it, which I'm going to do. I'm going to click on that little folder button to go to my pictures again. And there it is. I'm going to click on that Rick photo, hit OK. And now it's a picture of me in the center of the page. And I could add a photo anywhere on here. And what happens is Kompozer will place mark it for you. And that means it'll keep it in position of where it's sitting relative to this page looking at it. And you can alter any of this. So you could make this page totally your own and make it say what you want in a matter of seconds by changing the words. You can highlight things, change the text color, like right here I could change the word internet. Come on, mouse. Mouse is acting up. And I could go to the text here and I could make it red. Click OK. Now it's red. I could highlight this word by copying over it, go to the highlight color for text, click on that one, and I could put yellow by clicking on it, hit OK. Now it's yellow. The highlight of it. And that's really simple. I can go down here, click underneath the 20 winners and say get started now for free. And again, I can just drag my mouse cursor over it. I can change how large it is to make it larger, larger yet. I can make it smaller just by clicking the smaller font size button. Larger again, I don't need to know any HTML, nothing. I can change the font by going up here, go to Format. I can click on the word font, go down here, pick a different font. I'll pick just any. There's a whole different mess of fonts you can pick. I'm going to pick Impact. Now it's made it fatter, bigger. I'll change what it says in this yellow highlighted words area to step by step marketing. And there, I've altered this page. I'll delete 20 winners because it's not a contest page we're not making. And delete that in there, bring that up a notch. I'll change this to free. Whoop, sorry about that. Free marketing system. I'll delete that G I put there on accident, left it. Now I changed the whole page. It's no longer a contest page. It says free marketing system, step-by-step marketing. I'm just, like I said, I'm not trying to create something here. I was just messing with the words to make it make a little bit more sense for you. And I'll get rid of the word marketing here and just leave step-by-step since I have free marketing system on top of it. And there we go. There's a simple splash page. The sign up button is down here because you took it from your 8-Steps back office. And so that button will actually work for you. You can download the button just like I did the picture. You can put that sign up button there, click on it, and link it. Like I can link my picture right here by double clicking on it. This box is going to pop up to edit some things with it. I click on link, go to your 8-Steps, go here, get my main affiliate URL. I could grab one of the squeeze pages. I'm just going to grab my main affiliate link, click on that, go back to Kompozer, put the link in the box, click OK. Now it's linked. The sign up button, I could do the same, click on it, go to link, put my URL for YourEightSteps affiliate URL, put that in the box, paste it in, click OK, and that's linked. People click on it, they're going to go to your main affiliate URL. Otherwise, you could have it go to your squeeze page, or you could make this into a squeeze page. And that's editing a page, that already exists online. We could change this header. If we had a different header, we could get rid of the header. All you'd do is double click on this header. A box would pop up. We could browse for a new header if you had one, or we could get rid of it altogether and make it just a text-only page, or add an image up on top. It's very simple, and that's what I'm trying to get across here, is that it's not complicated, and once you learn what a few of these things do here in Kompozer, it's very easy to alter and make your own simple splash and squeeze pages. That can be super effective. That's why I still use it. My pages are very effective, and this is how I create simple stuff and how I learned how to do it. And like I said, I was not technically, I don't have the tech know-how. I just learned how to use Kompozer and some basic HTML and learned how to make my own pages this way. And then how easy this is to get online and make it live once you learn that process and you have a domain name set up. In GVO, you pay $9.97 a month for your web hosting. And that's your monthly web hosting and the autoresponder and everything else you get from GVO. But in the Start Here First box, where this domain registration, to register a domain name, like all my pages and stuff I make go on richardweberg.com. And you can see this page that I just created the other day that I'm using. You can see richardweberg.com/money.html. This is my domain that I pay about $15 a year for. That is hosted on my GVO account. And they make it really simple to get that stuff set up through these first three sections and the videos located there. Each one of them walk you through how to get your domain name set up. And I'm not even going to cover that. It's very simple to do. And Carol covers it in the ebook in path number 1, step number 7, path number 2, step number 8. You can go download it or go to the downline builder and go to recommended programs, and you will find the ebook, How to Make and Host Your Own Splash and Squeeze Pages. And in there, Carol covers more about setting up your domain and stuff. But it's really simple, and once you have it set up, I basically can access my web host manager by clicking this web host manager in step number 3 in GVO, and then just waiting for it to load. And I can scroll down here, click here to access your web host manager. Again, just waiting for it to load. My internet's being slow today. Then I go to list accounts, and like I said, Carol covers all this information again. And now I'm going to click on this icon next to richardweberg.com. I'm going to click that open. You can see I have some domain names hosted in there. No fine, thanks, because I don't need any help getting started. I'm going to click on File Manager because File Manager brings you to your files. I'm going to click Go. A pop-up box pops up. And what I would do here is I would want to create a file for putting the source code from that page I created into YourEightSteps so that it would become live, because the public _HTML, that is where your pages are live. And to create a new file in there, all I would do is click on New File, I can name it whatever, but I'm going to name it test.html. And I'm going to click on Create New File. Now I'm going to scroll down and find that file in this box that's over here that has all the file names in it. And I'm going to click on Test. I'm going to click on Edit. Box going to pop up. I'm going to edit, and right now there's nothing in there because we haven't put anything there. I'm going to go to Composer. I'm going to click on Source, and in here I'm going to copy everything that's in this source in Composer, because that's how simple it is. You got a normal view which shows you the web page, and then you have source view. I click on Source, copy everything that's in there. Go to my web hosting at GVO, into my test file that I created, click on Paste, Save Changes, and voila, my page will be live. Now I'll go into my browser, type it in. richardweberg.com/test.html. And I click on the arrow to get it to load. And I need to click on one other thing here. I need to alter an image. Okay. Everything uses location of where that image is located. So I'm going to delete a part of a source before the photo actually is. And that's something you will learn how to do. And there, now my new page is live. And it was that easy. I mean, I literally could have done that in 15 minutes. I could have wrote more in there or whatever if I wasn't trying to explain it and I was creating a page that I was going to use. That's how simple it can be. Once you learn the process, the little things that go on, and like I said, I'm really trying to get you to start this process. This video would be a lot longer if I was trying to explain every little detail, but there's already videos and ebook, like from Carol, stuff that's already done for you if you just use those to learn this process. My part here was to just show you how simple and fast it can be. And voila, you got a splash page, or this could be a squeeze page or whatever, leading to whatever link you want. Then see, we linked this photo, and we linked the sign up button. Now I can click on it, and it'll take me right to my affiliate page for Your 8 Steps. And I know that's kind of fast, and I just kind of highlighted some stuff and went over it. And like I said, my main goal here is to show you that building your own splash and squeeze pages is a breeze. You can build landing pages. You can build anything you want. You're only limited to what you learn how to do. So if you take the time to learn some things, use the resources that we give you, you'll be creating your own stuff that looks great. And, there's little tips and tricks you'll learn along the way. But the thing is just getting you to take that action and learn this process. So, number one, download that Kompozer video course. Start watching those videos. Learn how to use Kompozer. Number two, get Carol's ebook from the Downline Builder. And, go through that. And first learn Kompozer and get the ebook. Then you're going to be able to use that information to put together your own pages. It'll be really simple, and you'll be creating your pages very quickly. So other than that, I hope this helped to get you to understand the simplicity of creating your own pages. It really can be easy. It's not complicated. Once you learn a few things, it becomes like a breeze. It's old hat. It's just something that you'll be able to do anytime you want to change your advertising. You'll be able to do it very fast. So other than that, have a great day. We will talk to you soon.